Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to start your own clothing or merch business without holding inventory? In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Printful, the easiest print-on-demand service for beginners from the start to finish. So, first of all, we need to know what is Printful. Printful lets you sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more without ever touching the product. They handle printing, packing, and shipping when someone buys from your online store. Step 1. Go to printful.com and create a free account with your Google account or Facebook account, or even you can use your Apple account. So go to printful.com. Wait a minute. My network is busy, so stay tuned. Then click sign in. Once you are in, you can see your dashboard. Follow the process like upload your product, set a billing option. Printful works with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Wix, WooCommerce, and more. Just pick your platform and follow the on-screen steps to connect. Once connected, Printful can automatically push products to your store and fulfill orders for you. From stores, you can see the all store like Shopify, Wix, Etsy. Then click connect. From stores tab, you will see the option called choose platform. From here, you can easily connect your shop like Shopify, Marketplace, Etsy, Squarespace, Wix, etc. From orders tab, you can see the orders, or you can import orders from Wix, Shopify, or any other platform. So that's it. You can add your data file. Just drag your CSV or XLS file here or click to upload. Now go to home, click start, choose your store like Wix, select view store, then click add a product. Now choose a product from here like t-shirt, sweater, or etc, or you can search here mugs. Then upload your design here, click upload or drop your design here. Now click upload and choose a design from your computer. I'll use this style. Now resize it, then click continue. When you are ready, from here, wait a minute. From the add product section, you can add text, clip art, like emojis. Then click continue. From here, you can see basic mockups option and custom mockup options. Then choose one from here, then click continue. Now enter your product title, description. If needed, then click continue. Now set price and click submit to store. This sends your product directly to your online shop, ready to sell. Here's what happens when someone places an order. Printful receives the order automatically. They print and package it with your branding. The product is shipped to the customer. No effort on your end. Want your business to look pro? Go to the branding section to upload your logo, customize packaging slips, and even add branded inserts for a premium feel. Printful shows you the base cost of each product. You choose your retail price and the difference is your profit. If a shirt costs $12 and you sell it for $25, you keep $30 profit. And that's how you use Printful to start your own merch on our print on demand business. No inventory, no shipping, and no stress. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and let me know in the comments what product you are launching first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.